Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we talk about topics such as business, entrepreneurship, and side hustles. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, this is going to be a great one actually. I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 mistakes business owners make when it comes to their marketing. So this one is going to be very crucial, and I'm going to go ahead and get straight to the video. So number 1, the first mistake I see business owners make when it comes to their marketing is that they give up too soon. So typically if you post a new product, let's say you're selling t-shirts, you're selling hair, you post your new product and no one buys. A lot of business owners will post it maybe 3 times and then they'll decide, oh, people don't like this item. Last time I posted something, it sold out. But let's go over the reasons why this could be. It could be the time of the year. It might be your slow season. So you might not be paying attention that maybe last time you posted it on a Friday when there was a lot of stuff going on and people liked that product and they were on the internet during that time. This time you're posting something on a Monday, maybe people didn't get paid this week. A lot of the times, especially with Instagram now, maybe they're just not seeing your post. You might have posted it 3 times, maybe they didn't see it, maybe they only saw it once. Last time you posted it, they saw it all 3 times. So pay attention to that as well. Instead of giving up too soon, what you can do is track what you're actually doing. Okay, you posted it the first time, maybe you posted it at 12. Take a look into those analytics to see how many people it reached. Maybe you need to switch up different hashtags so it can reach different people. Maybe you posted a photo and you know Instagram is pushing reels. So now you want to see, okay, if I do a reel with this sound, let's see how this works. Take a look into other popular sounds that Instagram has for the reels. See if that sound works better. Just keep on trying. Like if you have to post about your product every single day until it gets sold, that's what I need you to do. This posting just 3 times and giving up, it's not gonna work. We're putting in all the effort we can to get these products. So we got to take into account that it is a recession. We need to make sure that when people have money in their hand, they're also going to have our product in their face so they can make that purchase. The next mistake that I notice business owners make is that when sales are going really well, they'll typically give up on the marketing. Why is this a bad idea? So when it comes to your marketing and your business, you need to keep that momentum. So if you drop one product and it sells out, that doesn't mean that you stop marketing it. What I need you to do is you need to find out a way to get more of that product in stock so you can continue running. If you can run an ad, whatever your best post was, if you can turn that into an ad to get that momentum back going for that same product, because this product is tested, is proven to work, and you know your audience likes it. So you need to keep pushing that same product, because as you know, when something is out of stock, what does that mean? That means we're no longer making money. So you need to find out a way to get that product back in stock and start increasing that momentum again. You don't want to just sell out and then start running flat, because you never know, your next product might fail. With this product that you got, you know people want it. As soon as it sells out and you're in the process of restocking, get a wait list going. Get an email list going. So that way, as soon as you get that product back in stock, you can send out your email to let your customers know, hey, we have this item back in stock. Since they waited, if you want to offer them a discount as an incentive to buy, do that as well. Do whatever you need to do to continue building that momentum for that same product that you have, that you know is gonna sell out. The third mistake that I notice business owners make when it comes to marketing is not knowing your target audience. I know you guys hear me talk about this over and over and over again, but this is very important. Let's say you're putting out a t-shirt. Typically your audience is females between the ages of, let's say, 25 to 34. You've been doing all pink. So all of a sudden you decide you want to start adding males to your customer base. So you upload a male t-shirt, and of course, since your audience is primarily females, that shirt does not sell. Now, why is that shirt not selling? If you take a look at your Instagram analytics or whatever platform you're using, your website, if you're using TikTok, Facebook, pretty much everything has analytics now. And that shirt is typically not selling because 80% of your audience is females and you're trying to sell a shirt to males. So a similar concept that we'll see all the time is with our Instagram models. Our Instagram models will sometimes, depending on which model you get, they'll have a large male following. So if you're hiring them to be an influencer for your business and they have a large male following, and you're looking to put, let's say you're selling boutique clothes, you're selling hair, and you're looking to put these products on this model, and then you'll notice that once you run your campaign, you don't get a lot of sales, is because your target audiences don't match. They have a primarily male audience, and you're looking for someone, well, you need someone with a female audience. So that'll be the same thing as not knowing your target audience. So when it comes to selling clothes, any product, clothes, hair, bundles, you need to make sure you know your target audience. So that way when you push and market out your product, find influencers, you know it's going to the right audience. The fourth mistake I see business owners make is not tracking their results. So a lot of the times, especially when it comes to internet marketers, you'll see people say, oh, you just need to be posting on the internet. But for your business, you need to know, what time should you be posting? What type of content works best for your audience? What platforms work best for your audience? So in order to figure this out, you'll need your analytics for these different profiles. And when I say different profiles, I'm talking about your different social media accounts. Because what works on TikTok, Instagram might not work on Facebook. And as you can see, Instagram is more of a, I would say it's more of a aesthetic platform. So you're gonna make sure your content looks very good. Versus with TikTok is more raw and authentic. So what might work on TikTok might not work on Instagram. And then with Facebook, you can still post pictures and get a big reach. Facebook also has the share option to where it allows your content to be shared amongst your friends and also their friends. What might work on any of these platforms, just because you have one that's doing great on here, like I see people say it all the time, like, oh, this post got 5 likes on here, but then when I posted it on this, it got 1,000. Mix up your content to figure out what works best for your brand. Take a look into your insights to see what's the best time to post. Are people liking your pictures better? Are they liking your carousels better? Are they liking your reels better? Well, reels, TikToks, however we want to say it, we can use those interchangeably. But you want to make sure you know what type of content your audience is liking. Do they like behind the scenes? Do they like when people actually wear the products? Do they like when you wear the products? You need to start tracking what's getting either the most likes, what has the furthest reach, what's getting the most views, what's bringing in the most sales. You can track all of that through your insights. You can go to your website to see, like, okay, I uploaded this at this time. This is how many website clicks I got. You need to be paying attention to all of this. So that way you know what's working and what's not working. Because sometimes you might get 100 likes and 0 sales. And then the next time you might get 10 likes and 15 sales. So you need to know what exactly you did, what captions you use, what hashtags you use to get those results. The fifth mistake I see business owners make when it comes to their marketing is not keeping track of the industry trends. And for this one, let's say we're using hair as an example. We know that the industry trend right now is wigs. And another thing we're noticing is that it's shifting over to tape-ins. And another thing we're seeing is that people are wearing their natural leave-outs again. When it comes to making your content, if you're still only focusing on selling bundles, that's not gonna work. You need to show, okay, although I do have these bundles, I can make you a wig. We can either do custom wigs, or I have stock wigs that come styled, because a lot of people are styling their stock wigs now. You need to pay attention to that. And then you need to know, like, okay, I can make you a U-part wig, since everybody is wearing, well, not everybody, Jada Waiter started wearing her leave out, and a lot of people started taking heed to that, and they start wearing their leave out as well, along with tape in. So you need to be able to offer these things so you're not behind. You need to make sure your business maintains its competitiveness, because if your business is not competitive, people most likely are not going to shop with you unless you're offering something that no one else offers. And that's very hard to come by in the hair industry now, especially if you're just starting. Not to say that some of y'all are not the most creative people that we'll probably ever meet, but typically a lot of new products aren't coming out when it comes to hair. So you need to make sure that you're aware of what exactly is going on in your industry. Now, these were just my top 5 things that I've noticed, which there is plenty more mistakes that I see people are doing. But if you correct these top 5, you will see an increase in your sales, because now you know you're tracking your sales, you're keeping your momentum, you're not giving up too early, you know what's going on in your industry. So these will help you tremendously if you're making any of these mistakes. So go ahead and correct them, stay creative, make sure you're being competitive, and stay consistent. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you found it extremely helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop that in the comment section. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels. That's I Am Destiny Adams. That's my only page, by the way. So I Am Destiny Adams, no underscores, no numbers. And that's on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Pinterest, pretty much everything. I do also have a free Facebook group that you can advertise your products or see other products that other people who support my channel are advertising, so you can go ahead and support. And that page name is The Side Business Hustle. And yeah, and go ahead and stay tuned for the next video. I am gonna try and be more consistent throughout the year. So yeah, go ahead and stay tuned. Peace.